Well, it often takes more than a great idea to have a great business. Sometimes for startups to take that big leap, it takes guidance, support, and cash. Here in northern Michigan, there's an organization ready and willing to do that, and in the process, helping to make a difference.
Well, since inception in 2012, we have invested almost $9 million in startups in the state of Michigan, about half of which has been actually in Traverse City itself.
At 20 Fathoms, Traverse City's tech startup incubator, nestled amongst the offices, is this one. A simple, small sticker representing an organization with a huge impact.
We invest in startups, scalable businesses, early stage companies here in northern Michigan.
Over the past 12 years, Northern Michigan Angels has heard hundreds of pitches from startup businesses and helped to fund millions of dollars in some of their efforts. It's about matching so-called angel investors with those looking for a boost.
We host about 10 to 12 pitch events per month, so about 20 companies come to us seeking capital for their ventures. Then each individual member is making an investment decision.
If it sounds familiar, kind of like the TV show Shark Tank, well, there are good reasons for that, with a few differences.
I would say we're friendlier in terms of the terms that we would offer or participate in. But if someone really has a grasp on what would be necessary to win at Shark Tank, chances are they've got a great business plan and they're ready to pitch to us.
Over the past 12 years, individual investors with Northern Michigan Angels have provided financial backing to dozens of startups. But cash is only part of the equation.
Likely held leadership roles in large corporations helped businesses scale, and they bring that expertise to the startups here.
They say what the investors have to offer on all fronts to local startups is rare.
Well, for the longest time, we were the only source of angel investment north of Cadillac.
But desperately needed if Northern Michigan is going to expand its business portfolio.
Particularly if you're a scalable startup, a software company, or a life sciences company, you don't have the hard assets that you can use as collateral.
It's help at a time when startups can use or need it in their business journey. From investors who've often walked that walk and are willing to help the next generation take the next huge step.
We are always looking for opportunities.
And Northern Michigan Angels firmly believes that supporting startups supports a strong community by creating economic value and high-paying, family-sustaining year-round jobs.